So in order to add a page, you would click CEMP index. There's an option that says add a page. You're able to scroll down, and what it will do is it will always add that page into the lowest level of the chapter that you selected it to be added. So for example, right now I added it from the CEMP index at the highest level, so it's dropping it down into chapter 30. If I were to have selected chapter 26 and I click and add a page, it will drop it as a new 26.1 because it's the lowest level within that chapter. So that's how you add chapters. The other thing you can do is after you add it, you are able to edit the title. So you hit edit title, I'll highlight it, and I will call this new test chapter. I hit save. I will change the CEMP title for this one. I'll actually call this new sub chapter, and I'll hit save. So the reason I did that was because I wanted to demonstrate that if you create a chapter, or you have an existing chapter in a plan and you decide you want to reorganize or restructure your CEMP, it's really easy. You don't have to worry about renumbering your pages. It will automatically do that for you. So what you do is you simply select the chapter that you want to move. So if I want to make 26.1 the new chapter 30, I just hold down my left mouse button, similar to when you're dragging an icon across your screen or moving it from your desktop to a different folder. So you'll see that as I'm moving it, there's a red X. So the reason you see the red X is because it's showing me that if I drop it there, it's not an allowable move. So if I were to drop it, nothing happens, nothing changes, it still remains as 26.1. If I grab it and I drag it, you will see that when it becomes an allowable move, you'll see a green check mark. So it's letting me know that if I drop it here, it's an allowable move, and I'll be moving it. You'll see that if I put the cursor in between chapter 29 and 30, you'll see a line with a triangle to the left of the number. So it's telling me it's placing it in between 29 and 30. So if I drop it, it's processing, and it becomes the new chapter 30. It automatically moves the previous chapter 30 to chapter 31. If I were to move this as chapter 2, it will automatically push everything down and renumber it. You can also move chapters at the sub-level. So if I take this chapter 31 and I want to make it chapter 31.1, I will, move it on right next to chapter 30. You'll see the green check mark. I drop it, and it becomes chapter 30.1. So it's really nice in the sense that you don't have to worry about renumbering anything. It automatically renumbers it.